नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। कमल के ज्योग्राफी फंडे अब कभी नहीं आएंगे अंडे। स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न हाउ टू फिल द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन ऑफ इंडिया ऑन द मैप. So students, there are 5 types of forests in India, and these are the symbols which we will draw on the map of India. First forests are mountainous forest. Mountainous forests are found on the Himalayan region. हिमालय पर्वत के ऊपर हमें mountainous forests मिलते हैं. Let's draw on the map. जम्मू कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, सिक्किम, the northern part of West Bengal, where we find Darjeeling and Arunachal Pradesh. These are mountainous forest region. Second is tropical thorny forest, where rainfall is very less. You see a cut near Punjab. Draw a line up to Delhi, some part of Madhya Pradesh, and this line goes up to Way of Khambar. This area, this one, comes under thorny forests, and symbol is dots. Some part of Punjab, Haryana, maximum Rajasthan, Gujarat. Here rainfall is less than 75 centimeter annually. If you move towards the center of India, here is also we find thorny forest, because this area comes under a rain shadow area. That's why here we find desert type or thorny type forest. Students, third forests are tropical evergreen forest. Where there is heavy rain, we find evergreen forest. Evergreen forests are those which do not shed their leaves throughout the year. We will draw on the map. The western coastal plains of India having evergreen forests. Second part is the coastal plains of Tamil Nadu. When the monsoon retreating back, it strikes with the eastern Ghats, and there is a heavy rain in Tamil Nadu during the winters. And third part is, we start from Chilka. This is Chilka Lake, beta. Make a straight line up to Bangladesh, then moves towards left. And this area, West Bengal, some part of Odisha, and some part of Bihar comes under evergreen forest. And the seven sisters, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Here we find tropical evergreen forest. Next vegetation is mangrove vegetation. When the river falls into the oceans and when they make a delta, that is called mangrove vegetation. Here two rivers falls, river Ganga and Brahmaputra. This is known as biggest delta of the world, that is Sundarban ka delta. Delta of Sundarbans. Here we find mangrove vegetation. Come to the Chilka Lake. This curved area, an arc, this is a delta of Mahanadi. Come towards south,
Here is another arc, one arc and arc 2. This is a delta of Godavari and this is a delta of Krishna river. Delta of Sundarban, delta of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna. And the last vegetation is tropical deciduous forest. Those forests which shed their leaves during the autumn season. But in spring season, the leaves comes back. The rest India, comes under your deciduous forest. Punjab, some part of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, some part of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and so on. I hope you easily understand how to fill natural vegetation of India on the map. So, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.